Meaning of John Cobb.
John Cobb.
John Cobb.
John Cobb.
John Cobb. John Cobb is a proper noun and it may refer to different individuals depending on the context. One of the most well-known individuals with this name is John Cobb, 1899 to 1952, who was a British racing driver. He was famous for his land speed records, and in 1947 he achieved a record speed of 394 miles per hour, 634 kilometers per hour, in his car called Railton Special. There are other people with the name John Cobb, such as writers, politicians, and businesspeople, among others. Without additional context, it is impossible to determine the specific meaning of John Cobb.